Hi guys, this is Celine. Uh, I'm here with uh, how I make my natural shampoo. Now, the thing about this shampoo is that it's very mild. So if you oil your hair, it might not remove all the oil. But if it is just a simple wash, this should be good. I'm sorry about my voice. I have a bad throat, so don't mind that part. Now, what I have going on in this is 3 cups of water. I have around uh, 5 to 6 soap nut. Now soap nuts are natural cleansers or natural soaps. So these are what are soap nuts. I got the ones without the seeds. There are a few with seeds, like this one has a seed, I guess. No, this is also deseeded. Okay, so you get with seed, without seed. If it is with the seed, you can still use it. It's just that once it is soaked, you'll have to remove the seeds. Mine are without the seeds, so I have around um, 5 to 6 of that. uh, I have around 5 dried Shikakai fruits. Now this is Shikakai is very good for your hair. This is what it looks like. So I have around 5 of this. I have a tablespoon of dried Indian gooseberries. Uh, Now Indian gooseberries or amla has a high content of vitamin C. It's very nice for hair growth. So this is what is the Indian gooseberries. Uh, this is a form in which it is in granule form, but they're actually nice round berries. But this is the dried one. I got this off Amazon. And I have a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in this. So this I soaked overnight. You can soak this for 4 to 5 hours. Uh, this is how the shikakai feels like once it is soaked. So it's soaked all pretty well. This is the soap nuts. So they just crush like that. So that's what I have in this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up on the heat, give it a boil, and then reduce the heat to a simmer and let this simmer. So this is 3 cups of water. I'm going to reduce the water to 1.5 cup to 2 cups of water. So let me put this on the heat and then I'll show you all what to do. So I've got this on the heat. I'll wait for this to boil. Once it boils well, I'll reduce it to a simmer and I'll let it simmer till the water reduces. And then I'll let it cool, and then I'll extract all the um, juices of this. So now we'll bring this to a boil. I'll get you all back when I'm ready to remove this off the heat. Okay, so this had come to a boil and then I put it on simmer. Now let's just increase the heat again. What I normally do is I use this shampoo in between uh, my regular washes when I just need a quick cleanse. So all you need to do is like normal, wet your hair and then you can just use this shampoo. It doesn't give too much of a lather, it does give a little bit, but it cleanses really well. um, use this as normal shampoo and then rinse it off. But then you need to use a conditioner with this, uh, because this can be a little drying on the for your hair, because it is got soap nuts in it. uh, so I would suggest that you use a conditioner. In fact, I would suggest that every time you use shampoo, you use a conditioner. So that's my suggestion. That's what I feel with my hair, at least, that every time I use a shampoo I need to use a conditioner, just so that my hair is more manageable. So when the other way I use this is, uh, I make my uh, hair uh, pack, and I use this as the liquid for mixing up the dry ingredients. I'll do another video on my hair pack, but when I do that, when I use this as the water content for my hair pack, it really cleanses off the oil, because I normally oil my hair when I put a hair pack. So it really cleanses off the oil very well, just with one wash of my shampoo bar and this as a hair pack. So I'll show you my hair pack, what I normally use for my hair, in my next video. But for now, this is the natural um, shampoo that I have for y'all. So this is almost ready. I will switch. We'll have to let this cool down before we can extract all the pulp from the fruits in this. uh, so I'll just keep this for another 2 more minutes, and then I'll switch it off, and then we can let it cool down. Now to this you can add any ingredient that you like hibiscus, cloves, or any of the things that you want to add. I just do so much because normally when I do my hair pack, I have all those, and my oil has cloves in it, um, so I don't put it in this. So now we will wait for this to I've switched off the heat. We'll wait for this to cool down, because we need to mush it up and remove the extract of the nuts. So we'll let this cool down. Once it is cool, I'll get you all back. Okay, so this is cooled down enough. So I'm just going to mush it up, try to get all the extract. and you strain it. Now, this you need not throw, you can use it for another uh, 1 or 2 times more. So I just store it away in the refrigerator till I need to make my next uh, batch. In a minute, I'll show you how the lather is for this. Sorry, that made a mess. So if you see the lather? Now let me just come back, wash my hands. So that is the extract which we are going to keep and use it the next time we make it. And that's the shampoo. So that's the lather we have. And we just store it in a clean glass bottle. You can store this in the refrigerator. You preferably store it in the refrigerator. Don't just sorry. Don't store it outside. Store it in the refrigerator. Get it out when you have to use it. In fact, if you don't want to use it cold, you can remove it uh, a while before you need to use it, or you can just heat it up a little bit, and that's about it. So that's the shampoo, all natural. So let me know if you like the video. um, for people who have not subscribed, please do subscribe, and I'll come back with the next video, most probably about a hair pack where I use uh, this as the liquid. And see you all soon. See you all soon. I'm sorry for the cough and the bad voice that I have. I'm just not well. So hopefully by the next video I'll recover a little more. So see you all soon. Bye bye.